welcome to Soul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. This is the reading for situationship, what Leos are going through, okay? Currently, what are their situation currently, okay? What they're feeling currently, okay? So, yeah. Okay. Wow. So I hope guys this is visible to you. Okay, so guys, if you want to book one-on-one session with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to donate, the details are given in the description box below. If you really want to check out one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. And yeah, if you want to join 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. So yeah, Leos, you're going through some instability when it comes to your financial life, okay? So both issues are going on, career and relationship as well, okay? Okay, so guys, I think there's instability going on with there's some sort of instability going on when it comes to your financial issues, okay? Your finances are not good currently, okay, and you are really worried about it. You are waiting for some sort of offer to receive, but yeah, instability is definitely going on into your financial life, okay? You're going through some major healing, okay? Major transformation, major healing. You have just been patient enough about a situation, okay? But I think someone is coming back into your life, okay? Someone is trying to come back, someone is trying to take an action into your life. This might be the other person, but someone is trying to come back into your life, because you are going through some healing, so it's not possible for you to go towards that person. So I think someone else is coming into your life. So yeah, they are coming towards you. You are gaining a clarity. You are gaining a clarity when it comes to a particular situation. You're going through a lot of thought process, contemplation, meditating, rejuvenating, but yeah, you are gaining a clarity about a situation, okay? So yeah, and at the same time I feel some sort of justice will be served to you. Karmic justice, some major karmic cycle is coming to an end, and I think there is a reunion, reconciliation is coming towards you, okay? And I think if you guys were in distance, so I think those will be coming to an end, things will be better, and reconciliation or reunion might be taking place. You might be dealing with earth signs, water signs, Sagittarius in particular, okay? So yeah, reconciliation, reunion will be happening, and justice will be served to you, and reconciliation, reunion will be happening for you guys very soon in the month of August, probably mid-August or last week of August. But yeah, new beginning is happening for you guys, okay? New beginning is about to happen for you guys, okay? So either one of the person into this connection is really waiting for a new beginning, okay? I don't think so, Leos, you are, because you have moved forward into your life. You are going through some healing, and now you are ready to move forward into your life. You are guarding up yourself. You are not ready to listen to anyone else anymore, okay? You will be taking your own decisions, okay? Because you are regaining your power back as a Queen of Wands. That means your energy. You are regaining your power back, understanding the situation, okay? So yeah, something is going on. You have a stuck energy, and you feel worried about your finances. At the same time, you have a stuck up energy when it comes to your finances, okay? No, not you actually. The other person is, really stuck up when it comes to their finances, and they are waiting for the right time to come towards you. Okay, yes. I think both of you are having financial issues, okay? Like waiting for some sort of money to come back, and then the other person will move towards you once this finances are cleared, okay? So, yeah, someone is manifesting this connection, okay? You are not, definitely, yeah. And someone was in a third party situation. Now, third party might not be related to the third lover, preferably might be a third lover, but also a family situation, in-laws, members of the family, or someone, okay? So yeah, third party situation someone was dealing with, okay? Someone is feeling heartbroken at the same time, okay? So yeah, fights, problems are going on around externally with the other person, I guess. Yeah, you are ready to move forward. You are ready to move away from this situation, whatever it is, Leos. You are ready to emotionally disconnect from this situation, and you are no more ready to give a shit about it, okay? Like you just don't want to take an action towards this person, okay? So yeah, major third party situation I can feel. Yeah, but yeah, you are trying to rebuild yourself, okay? And you're just focusing on your finances, your stability, your financial issues, okay? Yes, if there are disputes happening, you are no more giving shits about it. You're just taking care of your money, your finances. You're just working hard towards your finances, okay? Yes, because you are moving away from sneaky energy, and you do not want to, emotionally also, spiritually also, and financially also, you no more want to deal with your such people, okay? Sneaky energies, sneaky behaviors, okay? So yeah, those things are going on right now. Yes. Yeah, so you are ready to cut off a connection permanently, okay? And when you want to cut off the connection, but at the same time the other person wants a reconciliation, reunion, okay? So yeah, you are ready to cut off this connection, and I think once you cut off this connection, then the other person will try to make a move towards you, and they want a reconciliation. They are hoping and believing for a reconciliation. I think some of you actually cut it off in the past, okay? So yeah, so yeah, and that's why the other person wants to you know is trying to come back into your life, okay? But you're not ready, I guess. You are not ready to deal with it anymore shit. You're not no more going to tolerate, okay? So okay, so yeah, you're just going with the flow currently, Leos, okay? So yeah, five is all about balancing a situation. So you're ready, you are balancing yourself, your internal emotions also, and your outside world also. You are like you are no more disappointed, you are releasing it. You are balancing your emotional imbalance, okay? If you are going through, you are trying to balance your situation, your life internally within you. You are trying to balance it, okay? So yeah, some of you should go for meditation and yoga practices also. It will really help you out to rejuvenate, okay? So yeah, you are blossoming yourself. You don't want to take care of anyone's shit. You are blossoming yourself, okay? There will be celebration happening, celebration related to what I don't know, but soon celebration will be happening. Might be related to career or relationship, whatever it is. But yeah, really, 3 is all about celebration. So angel number 3, celebration is going to happen, okay? You are just slowing down, you are just going with the flow. Definitely, you are definitely going with the flow. You are no more giving a fuck about this situation anymore, okay? You're just working on yourself. Self care, self love is your utmost priority, guys, okay? So yeah, that's the best option, okay? So yeah, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. So if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below, guys. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.